gonna make waffles.
For the ingredients, we need
Waffle mix powder, egg, and strawberries.
150 milliliter milk, melted butter, whipped cream, and some oil. For the first step, pour the milk in the big bowl. Pour. Okay, good. And add. Add with egg. May I help you?
No.
Okay, do it. Ooh, good job. And add melted butter. And pour
the waffle mix powder.
Pour. And mix it. Okay, mix it.
Mix,
mix.
Look at this. Our batter is ready.
Oh, wow, it's ready. And, okay, give me. And preheat the waffle maker for about 5 minutes. And get some oil. Spread some oil on the pan.
Spread.
Okay, now scoop the batter and pour it. Scoop.
Scoop the batter.
Okay, get some more. Oh, I think that you need more like this. Okay, and close it. Now let's wait. Can you see the steam?
Yeah.
Yes, when the steam is gone, it's all done. So let's take a look.
Let's open it.
Open.
Wow, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks yummy. Take it out with a fork like this. And dry it for 1 minute.
Get some whipped cream.
Okay, cream. Whipped cream. And get some strawberries. One, two. Okay, it's all done? Yes, try it. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yes, try everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.